Configuring Azure SQL Scale-Out is a process that enables you to distribute your database across multiple servers to improve performance and availability. To start, you need to understand the concept of sharding, which is a technique used to distribute data across multiple databases. First, you need to determine the shard key, which is the column in your database that will be used to determine how data is distributed across the shards. Typically, the shard key is a unique identifier such as a customer ID or order ID. Next, you need to create a shard map, which is a database that keeps track of the shard key and the location of the corresponding data. You can use the Azure SQL database as the shard map. Then you need to create the shards, which are the actual databases that will store the data. You can create multiple shards in different regions to improve availability and performance. After creating the shards, you need to configure the routing, which determines how the application will connect to the correct shard. You can use the Azure SQL database routing feature to route the connections to the correct shard. It is also important to consider data consistency and integrity when configuring Azure SQL Scale-Out. You need to ensure that data is consistent across all shards and that transactions are properly managed. To implement Azure SQL Scale-Out, you can use the Elastic Database Client Library, which is a set of APIs that provide a simple and consistent way to manage shards and route connections. Best practices for configuring Azure SQL Scale-Out include monitoring performance and adjusting the shard key and routing as needed to ensure optimal performance. It is also important to test the configuration thoroughly to ensure that it meets the requirements of your application. In summary, configuring Azure SQL Scale-Out involves determining the shard key, creating a shard map, creating shards, configuring routing, and ensuring data consistency and integrity. By following these steps and best practices, you can improve the performance and availability of your Azure SQL database.